Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix assistive touch not working on iPhone iOS 17. For example, if you want to try to access your assistive touch and it is not working on your iOS, then how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, the first thing you have to do is you have to simply restart or reboot your iPhone. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your low volume button, and after that you have to simply restart your iPhone or iOS. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open your iPhone again, and after that you have to simply go to settings. In settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go for accessibility here, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of assistive touch. So here you have to click on that, and here what you can do is you can simply click on assistive access, and after that you have to look for assistive touch in these settings. For this, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you can simply find the option of accessibility shortcut here, and you can simply add assistive touch from here. And after that, what you can do is you can simply click on here, and after that you can simply go back and check all the necessary settings for the assistive touch. And after that, you have to check whether it is working properly or not. Moreover, you can also reset your assistive touch if it is not working. And if you have already tried all these settings and your assistive touch is still are not working, then you can simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on your scroll it down until you find the option of general, and here what you have to do, you have to simply click on software update, and you have to check whether you have latest iOS update or not. And if you are using any kind of beta update, then you can simply go for that beta update, and you can simply remove it if it is not working. So you have to make sure that you have latest iOS version, and after converting to latest iOS version, hope your problem will be solved. If the problem is still there, then you can simply open the Safari and go for the Apple discussion in Apple Support, and after that you can simply put your question and ask for the solution from the Apple Support. So hope you will get a solution of your problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.